For our Birria Ramen noodle soup, it's going to be quick and easy, just like we like it. Here's some of our leftover meat, our sauce, our noodles, and our stock. I have some leftover green bell pepper, an egg, and some lime juice. All right, let's get to cooking. Let's go. All right, this is gonna be quick and easy. Y'all, I'm so ready. Look at my shirt. Look. I'm ready to make some ramen noodles. All right, let's go ahead and start with our beef broth. I know there's some people who don't like these noodles, but I'm gonna tell you, it will save some money when you're going through some hard times. I know I am. So you all, guess what? I'm gonna start sharing some of the recipes that we use when we cook these noodles, because it saves money. All right, so let's go ahead and boil this water and I'll be back. Shout out to ramen noodles. They're good for your tummy and they're good for you. All right, peace out. Now while this is boiling, just to add some flavor to our soup, I'm going to add our peppers and onions and juice from it. It's going to add some extra flavor. Okay. Our beautiful broth is boiling. It's looking wonderful. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put 2 packets in here. Now you all, I'm not going to use these because this will change the flavor and that's not the flavor we want. So we're almost there. I'm going to let these come to a boil and then we'll be right back. Smells good, you all. Okay, now to this mixture, we're going to add that delicious sauce. We're going to let this cook in. This is where all that delicious flavor is. And then after that, we're going to top it with our delicious meat. I wish you could smell this. Okay, I'm going to keep adding to this. And I'm going to plate this up for you. Oh my gosh, I wish you all could smell this. All right, next shot, it will be plated for you with the lime juice. Well, here's the beautiful pot of soup, the ramen soup. It's still hot, you all. And this is the delicious meat. You all, this is so good. And for those of us that are budgeting and saving money, this is perfect. I also prepared this so you can see what it looked like in a bowl. And this is what it looks like in a bowl. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm so happy to have everybody here. I love each and every one of you. Peace and love, and I'll see you soon. Let's cook with ease.